Tesla is up again today, over 4.5%. And in yesterday's video, we talked about and recapped the massive $86,000 in profits that we closed out on our June Tesla calls. Now, at this point, I am still holding December 2026 calls for a $350 strike price. And I still think there is some massive upside here for Tesla in the coming weeks. If we look at the current chart, you're going to see that we've taken out this resistance level at $290. This resistance level is called a liquidity zone. Now, the reason it's a liquidity zone is we have tapped this level multiple times. And the thing is, the more times we tap a resistance level, many people think that the stronger the resistance becomes. That's not the case. The more time we tap the resistance level, the higher of a chance we have to sweep that resistance level. You have to realize that market makers, big money, whales, whatever you want to call them, they're basically teaching retail what to do within those areas. So think about it like boxing. If you're constantly throwing a jab and every time you throw the jab, you notice that your opponent is slipping out left, well then after a couple of jabs, once they slip out, you can crack them with a hook because you can time what their behavior will be. And in this case, it's exactly what happened. We've been pushing into these resistance levels. On top of that, we talked about this extensively in yesterday's video. We've seen hundreds of millions of dollars worth of call options come through the market. So we know that they were buying into the resistance, and that will normally lead into a breakout. Now, the reason I closed my calls yesterday was because they expired June 6th. And of course, I left some money on the table, but I'm still exposed just with longer term call options. And if this continues to run to 360, 380, 400, which we're going to talk about later in this video, I'm going to do really well, and I don't even have to worry about the short-term calls that I ended up closing. Now, if you do want to learn the entire system that we trade with, I teach it completely for free. The link to all of our courses, it's a 12-course masterclass series, is down in the description. It's completely free. There's no bullshit, no fluff, no credit card that you need to put in order to sign up. All of it is over there. And the only thing that I ask from you is to respect it by taking it in sequential order. Don't try to shortcut. Don't try to make as much money as you can in the next couple of days. That is not the goal and not what we do here. Now, our price targets for Tesla was sitting here at $350 to $360. The reason for that is using the volume profile on the right side of your screen. In these thin areas of volume from 290 to 340, it will move right through that level, whether it's to the up or the downside, like a hot knife through butter, much like what we saw back here through February and now this breakout in May. Now, the Price Explorer, which you can see here, this is going off of our BX trading bot, which does fire every single day within our Discord community. This is expecting price to reach, best case, a high of $425. So my targets are 350 to 360 because this is where that big block of volume is. But if we push through 350 and 360, we will easily move to $414 to $425 because once again, there's a gap in price up here from February, and there's a thin area of volume over here in the volume profile. So even though we have ran, close to 20-something% since Tim Waltz tried to call the bottom, we still have potentially another, I think, worst case 7% to best case 25% move to the upside. As always, guys, I hope you had a great day. I hope that these videos helped. Go ahead and check out our free masterclass series in the description. And if you've been trading for more than a year or you've taken all of the courses down in the description, come and join our Discord community where you will get access to each and every single trade that I take. It is focused for people who have a full-time job, and you do not need to be sitting in front of the computer all day. I'll see you tomorrow.